Student, today we are going to discuss the food we need. The food we need. So why should we need food? Food ఎందుకు మనకు అవసరము? So food helps, no? Food helps for formation of energy, muscle on body organs, and main thing is the food give energy. Food give energy to the body on formation of muscle, growth of body organs, and development of immunity power. So main thing is energy. We need energy. When we have sufficient amount of energy, definitely we can do more work. We can walk, we can read, we can sleep, we can run. So every activity we require energy. For energy, food gives the energy, and then energy are utilized in the proper way, and the formation of the body muscles, and growth of body organs. Next, and if you are taking proper food, the immunity power is developed against the disease. That's why we need the food. We need the food, good food we need. So what are the food we are need? So regularly in breakfast and lunch and dinner. So in breakfast, in varieties of the food items we are preparing and eating now. So morning idli, dosha and puri, vada. So we are eating this. And before breakfast we are eating milk. In lunch time, no. So rice, dal, curry, chicken curry, mutton curry, egg. So different types of food we are getting. So we are eating the different types of the food. So then we are getting more energy and growth also, proper growth of the human being, and day by day life, the growth of hair, the growth of the muscle, the growth of legs, the growth of the body organs, whatever may be, is involved the food. That's why we need the food. So you take the proper good food. Say sir, no? So what are the food items? How the food are getting? How the food are preparing? How to store the? How to preserve the food? How to preserve food? And see, take rice, no? Rice we are getting from the different sources. And ingredients. So rice, raw rice, and cooked rice. Okay, this raw rice is getting from the plant. So the source of raw rice is plant. Okay, and cooked rice is involved two type of ingredients here. Raw rice as well as water and salt. These are contained ingredients. Okay, we need food. The food item is contain more amount of ingredients. To take cooked rice, the cooked rice is contain raw rice, water and salt. Take pulihora. In pulihora, for making pulihora, what are the ingredients required? One is rice, generally oil, tamarind is required, and turmeric required, salt. So these are the common general material, general ingredients is required for making the pulihora. So then you taste the food, you are preparing the taste food comfortably or eating. So for preparing of this pulihora, you require the ingredients. So rice required, oil, turmeric, tamarind and salt. So these are the ingredients we are getting. So where should we get these ingredients? Where should we prepare? Where should we get the ingredients? These ingredients. From these ingredients, we are getting the ingredients in three sources. What are the sources now? One is the plant source of ingredients. One is plant source, plant, animal source, other source. In the plant source, in the plant, so each and every part of the plants it is useful for us. So see here, stem of the plant. We are getting onions and potato for potato curry and onions for cooking purpose we are using, no? These two are getting from the stem of the plant. So this is the main source of the plant source. And after that we are getting leaves. Leaves are the source of the plant. So take pudina. I'm giving one example here. Pudina. So pudina is the leaves we are getting from the plant. Next, flower. This is a part of the plant. This part of the plant of the flower is used, for example, cauliflower. So cauliflower we are getting from the part of the plant. Say sir, no? Next, fruits. Example, mango. Mango you are eating. You are getting from the plant source. So plant giving us. Say sir, no, plant is very useful for us. For survival of a human being, oxygen is required, no? For while preparing photosynthesis, carbon dioxide receiving from human being and plant give oxygen. Carbon dioxide utilizing and oxygen is giving during the photosynthesis process. And oxygen is giving for survival of a human being. And fruits is the mango. Say yes or no? So next thing is, one is the stem, leaves, flowers as well as fruits. Then animals. Seeds also can be. Seeds, groundnut. So we are from the groundnut we are getting the oil. Say yes or no? These are the plant source. Next, animal source. Milk. So milk, animals gives the milk. Cow, buffalo, goat. And milk contains lot of proteins and fat and vitamins. These are the food components. This is a good food for our body. For healthy person, daily one glass of milk you have to take, because milk contains lot of proteins, milk as well as vitamins. Proteins untayi, fats untayi, minerals and proteins ivanni untayi. So these are the food components. So what are the food components here? After that we will discuss here food components. Food components. So food component, carbohydrate present in the food, proteins present in the food, fat present in the food, vitamins present in the food. food. Next, mineral also required. That's why we need the food. Carbohydrate gives the energy. Carbohydrate gives the instant energy, immediate energy. While doing the work, you feel tired and take glucose. After taking the glucose, immediately energy you can get. Then you can do the more work. So after during playing the cricket, plays. So in break time, drinking. The drink is contain the glucose. So glucose gives a more instant energy, immediate energy is from the carbohydrate. That's why we need the food. Proteins is made up of amino acid, and it helps formation of the muscle. Starting I told, food is required for formation of the muscle, for growth of body organs. బాడీ ఆర్గాన్స్ అనేది ప్రాపర్గా గ్రోత్ అవుతే హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ బాడీలో ఉండే ఫంక్షన్స్ అనేది ప్రాపర్గా జరుగుతుంది. లేకపోతే రకరకాల రోగాలు అనేవి వస్తాయి. ప్రోటీన్స్ హెల్ప్స్ ఫర్ రిపేరింగ్ ద వుడ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద యాక్సిడెంట్ and it develop the immunity. Fat also gives the carbohydrate. Like a carbohydrate, fat also gives the energy. So there is the lack of the carbohydrate. And vitamins and minerals is also helpful for our body. That's why we need the food. That's why we are taking the food daily. Regularly we are taking the food. Okay. So this food we are getting from the plant source and animal source. So more amount of carbohydrate present in the milk. This milk is getting from the animals. Next, eggs also we are getting, and meat. More amount of proteins present in the eggs and meat. Eggs lo proteins and meats అనేవి meat eggs lo protein అనేది ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. Regularly we have to take. Another source we are getting salt. Salt is required. This salt getting from the sea and ocean by the process of evaporation. Evaporation process ద్వారా ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, water we are getting the water from the ocean, and after that the water is evaporated and the solid form is formed on layer of the earth. Then after collecting the salt we are using for the household purpose. So the formation of the salt is how we are getting the salt by the evaporation the process. So this is a source of the food. Next, see one example for the preparation of food. What are the ingredients are required for that? See, for example, we discussed pulihora. Here payasam is required semia. Then sugar is required, milk required, water required, dried fruits required. You want payasam, so these are the ingredients required. Ingredients. Okay. So these ingredients we are getting in three ways: animal source, plant source, other source. We are getting three ways, other sources. Semia we getting from plant. Sugar we are getting from the plant source. Milk we getting from the animal source. Water other source. Dried fruits is the plant source. You are getting what I am saying? If you want to prepare food, is required different types of the ingredients. That ingredients we are getting from the plant source and animal source and other source. Say sir, no? Cooking rice is required rice and water. If you want to prepare the dal we are getting pulse from the plant. Water is required, tamarind required, potato required, chili required. Say yes or no? Salt required. So assume that these are the food item. If you want to prepare the food, so many things, ingredients we are required. Say yes or no? So let us discuss the preparation and and methods of the food in the later class.